Well, receiving the scholarship, first of all, every time I would get notified that I got a scholarship, I was like, what? Like, me? You actually picked me? You thought, like, I was so good that I was worthy of receiving money, and that just made me feel amazing, and it made me feel honored and so grateful.
As your parents, we're definitely thankful for the presidential,
Yes,
the
we
president's
are.
scholarship, and at SVSU, you're continuing to gain those experiences and to build that, that kind of legacy there, and certainly, and it's all due to the fact that SVSU was very generous and gave you a full tuition scholarship.
And of course, as parents of 3 kids, I mean, that is huge for us.
We had some money set aside, but it would have been run out already.
Yeah, I really think that them showing that they trust me, they're putting money into me. I love SVSU, and maybe if you're not sure about what college you're looking for, SVSU is definitely where you want to go, because they will take the time, and we have so many resources to help any student.
To know that a school would get that invested in a student made all the difference. And to know that it could help us out not only financially, but also help your career move forward in a nice way with a great school. I mean, I think that was a big deciding factor, of course.
We're very appreciative for the support that other families give to SVSU so that you could have this opportunity.
And I think too, what maybe some people too need to realize is there are a lot of great kids out there that can really make a difference at a university if they're given that scholarship opportunity, because you probably wouldn't have gone to SVSU otherwise. Mm-hmm. And I mean, you're coming from a background of community service and excellent grades and excellent test scores, and those things are all wonderful, and you might not have been able to go to SVSU and use
Right.
those skills had you not had that scholarship to help fund that. So I think when people know that they can help out a kid who really could make a difference at a university and in the area and in the state or however it is, and it just means funding that scholarship for them, that's a decision maker right there that changes the whole trajectory of how you're going to go forward.